Supine Four can be very tricky to set up, but once you're in it, this restorative hip opener is heavenly. So starting with a belt, you want to get a long belt. Create a small loop with that belt and then move toward the wall, scooting your hips towards the wall first, and then roll onto your back with your legs up the wall. Now we'll take the belt around the right foot first, all the way above the knee, and tighten the belt just on that lower thigh area. The belt then will go behind the leg and then around the left foot on the wall. So step that left foot into the belt. Then cross your right ankle over your left knee and slide the left foot down as far as that right hip flexibility will allow. You can scoot the hips back if you need. The belt wraps around that foot and then slides underneath of the torso, releasing that right arm and then tightening the strap with that left arm. Once you get into place, you can just relax. What this belt around the right foot is doing is securing that foot into a solid flexing position to protect the knee joint on that right leg as the right hip is opening. So let's come out of it and we'll see how to set it up on the other side. Start by looping the strap around the left foot all the way up the leg and then tighten just above the knee. Then take the strap around the opposite foot, step it onto the wall, cross the left ankle over that knee, and then wrap the strap around the left foot. Take the strap across the body and then thread the left arm and the head above the strap, sliding the strap behind the back, and then use the left hand to secure the strap as you release the right arm. Tighten the belt as much as you can, and if the belt on the foot slides down to the arch, that's okay. If you're less flexible, this is probably what will happen. And now rest here completely. You want to feel the sacrum rooting into the ground and the natural curvature of the lumbar spine lifting up from it. If you feel that the hips are elevated too high off the ground, you might need to scoot the hips just further away from the wall. And to come out, extend both legs up and loosen the strap above the knee. Great work.